Good morning from here. I don't know what part of the world you are in, but wherever you are, happy Sunday. And this is your brother Nathaniel Bassi, and I'd like to just bring you up to speed, on something very important. I was at a prayer conference yesterday, and while in the service praying, it dawned on me that it was time for Europe. That a revival was imminent in Europe, and I felt something like a Macedonian call in my spirit saying, come to us. For some time now, we've been stalling and procrastinating and, dilly-dallying on coming to Dublin, majorly because of my schedule and having to incorporate that into a lot more things I've been doing. We've suggested a few dates, but never really got to seeing it through. But while at the service yesterday, I felt an unusual sense of urgency that it was time to sound the horn and announce God's kingdom over that region. I know lots of people are laboring over Europe in prayer, in the gospel, and this is not something extra special we think we want to do. I think it's time for us to lend our voice to that part of the world. I just got so steady in my heart that it was time to come to Europe prophetically with a mission to make way for the prophets, the pastors, the apostles, the evangelists to coming heavily with the gospel. And this is actually not a trip that I would like to take or undertake this season. In fact, I had instructed our team, our office, to shut down every foreign travel from September, as I felt, I don't want to travel anymore this year. So this is not something I want to do, but it's something I believe I am led to do. I'm sure that this would be a confirmation to one or two of you, or some of you who have been laboring in prayer for the heart of Europe,